For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a dropshipping business has become one of the most accessible ways to get into e-commerce. With no need to hold inventory, minimal upfront costs, and the support of automation tools, it's perfect for beginners. Now, with artificial intelligence, AI, you can dramatically boost your efficiency and profit potential. Here's a comprehensive 1,000-word step-by-step guide on how to start a dropshipping business using AI. Step 1. Understand the dropshipping business model. Before you begin, make sure you understand what dropshipping is. No inventory needed. You only buy a product when you make a sale. Third-party fulfillment. Your supplier ships products directly to the customer. Focus areas. Your main tasks are selecting the right products, marketing, and customer service. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche with AI help. AI tools can help you identify the most lucrative and trending niches by analyzing market data. Use AI for niche research. ChatGPT or Gemini. Ask questions like, what are trending e-commerce niches in 2025? Google Trends plus AI analysis. Combine Google Trends data with AI summaries to forecast future interest. AI tools like Sell the Trend, eCommerce, or Minea. These use algorithms to detect hot-selling dropshipping products. Tips for niche selection. Choose a niche with a passionate audience. Make sure products have good profit margins. Avoid overly saturated or seasonal markets, unless you have a strong strategy. Step 3. Find winning products using AI tools. Instead of guessing which products will sell, use AI to predict winners based on data. Top AI product discovery tools. Sell the Trend. Uses AI to track viral products on TikTok, Amazon, and AliExpress. Dropship.io finds products based on performance metrics and uses AI to evaluate trends. Thieve.co plus ChatGPT curates high-quality AliExpress products. Ask ChatGPT to analyze reviews or product quality indicators. What to look for in winning products. High demand with low competition. Good supplier reviews and fast shipping. Unique features or problem-solving value. Step 4. Find reliable suppliers with AI assistance. Your supplier is crucial. Late or poor delivery affects your brand. How AI helps. Home gadgets with fast U.S. shipping. Sellers. AliExpress official tool lets you compare suppliers and fulfillment times. AutoDS and Zendrop. AI-powered dropshipping platforms that automatically suggest top suppliers. Tips. Always test order products before committing. Prefer suppliers with fast delivery options, e.g., U.S. warehouses. Step 5. Build an AI-optimized online store. Your store is your digital storefront. Tools like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce make it easy to set up. Use AI to build smarter stores. Shopify Magic. AI-generated product descriptions, headlines, and customer responses. Durable.co uses AI to build websites from a few sentences. Copy.ai or Jasper.ai write compelling AI-powered content for product pages and landing pages. Designs.ai or Loca create logos and branding using AI. Tips for building your store. Use high-quality images and videos. Keep the design clean and mobile-friendly. Make the checkout process simple. Step 6. Set up AI-powered marketing systems. Marketing is where most dropshippers succeed or fail. AI makes it easier to compete by optimizing every step. Key AI marketing tools. AdCreative.ai generates high-converting ad creatives in seconds. Pencil or Okoya creates AI-powered ads and social media content. ManyChat plus ChatGPT run automated AI chatbots on Facebook and Instagram. Surfer SEO plus Jasper.ai rank your store's blog with optimized content. Email tools like Klaviyo or MailChimp plus AI use AI to write subject lines and segment audiences. Marketing tips. Start with Meta, Facebook/Instagram. Ads using AI targeting tools. Test multiple creatives and audiences. Retarget users with AI-optimized offers or email sequences. Step 7. Automate order fulfillment and customer support. Dropshipping is scalable because you can automate tasks. AI tools to automate. AutoDS or SERS. Automatically fulfill orders, update tracking, and sync inventory. Amaze or Tidio plus ChatGPT. Handle customer support with AI chatbots. Zendesk AI or Freshdesk. Automate help desk queries and ticket tagging. Benefits. Save time. Avoid errors. Provide 24/7 support. Step 8. Analyze and optimize with AI. Once your business is running, use AI to track performance and suggest improvements. Key AI analytics tools. Shopify Analytics plus ChatGPT. Copy-paste reports into ChatGPT and ask for insights. Plecto or Databox. Visual dashboards powered by AI analytics. Hotjar plus AI insights. Analyze heat maps and user behavior. Optimizely. AI-assisted A/B testing. Metrics to track. Conversion rate. Abandoned cart rate. Ad ROAS. Return on ad spend. Customer lifetime value. Step 9. Scale your business with AI help. Now it's time to scale your operations intelligently. AI-supported scaling strategies. Use ChatGPT to draft influencer outreach messages. Employ AI bidding tools for Facebook/Google ads. Use inventory forecasting AI, like Inventory Planner, to avoid stockouts or overordering. Test new markets and automate localization with AI translation tools like DeepL or Weglet. Scaling ideas. Expand into other product categories. Offer product bundles. Build your email list and create AI-powered loyalty campaigns. Step 10. Stay ahead of trends with AI monitoring. AI can help you stay ahead in a competitive space. Ongoing AI uses. Trend Hunter plus ChatGPT summaries. Keep tabs on market trends. Google Alerts plus AI synthesis. Set up alerts for niches and have ChatGPT summarize. Use AI competitor analysis tools like SimilarWeb or SEMrush to spy on top stores. Bonus tip. Use AI to brainstorm new product ideas or even create private label product lines based on sales trends. Final thoughts. Dropshipping combined with AI is a game changer. AI removes much of the guesswork, speeds up tasks, and makes you a much more efficient entrepreneur, even if you're just starting out. In summary, here's your AI-powered dropshipping roadmap. 1. Understand the model. 2. Pick a niche using AI tools. 3. Find winning products with AI insights. 4. Choose reliable suppliers. 5. Build your store with AI design and copy tools. 6. Market smarter using AI. 7. Automate fulfillment and support. 8. Optimize and analyze. 9. Scale with AI intelligence. 10. Stay updated with AI trend monitoring. Start small, use AI to reduce workload and risk, and focus on providing value. With consistent effort and the right AI tools, your dropshipping business can become a passive income machine. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.